Hey, creative minds! Today's canvas is a rainbow in the rain. Let's draw a vibrant umbrella. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Get ready with your black marker because we're diving into a burst of colors. Start by sketching a massive curved line, shaping it like a half circle. Fill it up with smaller, curvy lines to complete the top of the umbrella. Don't miss crafting the handle. Wow! Add in some playful raindrops for that real rain effect. To give our masterpiece that extra pop, boldly trace the outline with your black marker. Make it sharp and vivid, just like your imagination. Unleash your rainbow-colored pens. As we color, let's name the hues. Purple color, indigo color, blue color, green color, yellow color, orange color, red color. Cool! Start coloring with red color. Then the orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Indigo color. Ocean blue color. Cherry red color. Sea green color. Sky blue color. Splendid work, budding artists! You've created a dazzling rainbow umbrella. Keep those colors flowing and keep creating. Until next time, stay inspired and keep painting your world with joy. See you soon! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.